Okay, for weeks, no, actually for about a week, I've been watching this outside wolf spider build a beautiful nest, and if as you can see, it's been kind of destroyed from all the things that flew into it, and he wrapped up in a cocoon. But it's actually pretty amazing what they do. The other day I experimented. I took one of my crickets from my bearded dragon's cage and I threw it in the web to see what he would do. And he came down and he wrapped it up in a cocoon. It was just amazing. It was just amazing, like what Mother Nature does, and like it was just such a cool thing to see. Like right there, what you're looking at looks like a moth that got stuck in there, and he's saving that for later. Right now, it looks like he caught something and he's sucking the. What they do is they wrap it up in a cocoon, and which paralyzes the insect, and they suck the blood out of the insect. That's how they survive. What I'm going to try to show you right now is what he does. I have a cricket in my hand. Let me show you him. I don't know if you can see him. Yeah. There he is right there. What I'm gonna do is throw it into his web. Like I said, his web got pretty messed up. He has some repairs to do. But let's see if he goes down and grabs them. Alright, here we go. Oh, alright. Here's a moth. A moth just flew into the web. Now watch what he does. He's got the moth. And right now what he's doing is he's injecting a small amount of venom into the moth. Not killing him. And the next step will be him wrapping him up in a cocoon, and that's like the coolest thing to watch. Wow, that was so cool. I threw the cricket into the web, and it actually went through the web, and a moth flew in the exact same time. Here, let me see if I can get a close-up. Alright, here he goes. He's wrapping him up. There he goes. He's wrapping him up. Okay, he wraps him up. It's amazing. See? That's it. He wrapped him up. And the moth is in the cocoon. Slightly paralyzed from the spider's venom. And he went back up to his one he was working on before, which I believe he was eaten, because there's only a certain amount of time that the insect can be in the cocoon when it's actually like anything else, it'll spoil and he won't be able to get the blood out that he needs to survive on, and the nutrients and stuff like that. But yeah, that's him. That's cool. I thought I'd like to show you guys that tonight. You know, not too many people are really interested in stuff like that. I am. I think it's cool. But, looks like he's bringing him up top. He might store him up there. He's got this one that he just did, that we just witnessed, stored right there. Then he's got another one over here. And, I don't know what he's doing with this guy, but he's working on him. Whatever he's doing. Here, let's see if we can get a better angle. Yeah, it looks like to me he's wrapping them up. Yep, and this is right outside my front door. And like again, I'll say, I've been watching him build this nest for a week now. And it was beautiful. And I'm sure he'll do whatever he has to do to repair it, because it's obviously a good spot for him when it comes to food source. Alright. Have a good night. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe you guys can help me think of a name for him. Send me your comments. Good night, everybody.